Hi, this is Chuck Joss with Valley RV Supercenter. Today I'm going to show you the new Jayco Micro lightweight trailers, but built to last. Vacuum mounted exterior that is 144 tons of pressure on this wall while it's being the glue is curing. Solid wall. You see the nice looking brush guard all the way around, fancy rims, Goodyear tires. Coming around this way, this is the bunk folded up. You can put your bicycles in that channel or extra belongings while you're traveling. Let's head up inside. This is the non-slide model, so super lightweight. This one weighs right about 4,100 pounds. Coming up inside, you have the two bunks in the back, dinette that folds into a bed, queen bed out front, pull out storage underneath there, or you can use them as a footrest. Still has Jayco's 2-year warranty. This is the 171 model. I'm going to show you a couple more here in a moment. This is the 166. Up front you have a queen bed. Over here you have a couch with a flip down drink holder. TV set. Storage. Nice kitchen area. Big refrigerator in the bathroom back here in the back corner. And these will all come equipped with solar on the roof. So let's head over to the 199. So last but not least is the 199 MBS. It has the slide out with the U-shaped dinette, Murphy bed up front, bunks in the back, outside kitchen. This one pretty much has it all. Take a look at the floor plan, which will flash up on the screen. Come on down and check those out, as well as the rest of the trailers we have on the lot. We are overstocked and we are dealing. Again, this is Chuck Joss, Valley RV Supercenter.